Today is Wednesday, October 30th, 2024, and this is vlog number 181. And the purpose of these vlogs is to be a public journal and a stream of consciousness talk about what is top of mind. Right now it's past 10 p.m. I just got back from the gym and pool, and I'm working right now on an app that helps you with your manifestations. It's called Manifestly, and how it works is you create your manifestation and you answer questions like what you want to manifest, when do you want to manifest it by, and what you're willing to do to accomplish it. And then it uses AI to generate you daily notifications, and it will send us daily notifications for you that are help you imagine that this is already a reality in your life. And this is based on like the manifestation movement that has roots in the early 20th century, in the New Thought movement. So right now I am kind of reformatting the app. I already kind of went through a couple iterations, and pretty much if everything goes well, it should be out within a couple of days, meaning that it's like ready for the App Store review and has a subscription on it. And so my app making strategy right now is to ship apps fast, and for the month of November, my plan is to launch an app like every 2 weeks, so like 2 apps. And so this one, the value that it provides is having this AI that helps you imagine this situation, this life that you want to manifest. And so there are 3 questions, and this is really based on a lot of the content and material that's out there about the psychology of manifesting, and like the teachings of like different people in this space. So the value is here that it's able to generate for you unique statements that help you imagine what that reality would be like. So really I'm looking at like just making it very simple so that it can be out there, I can get it out there, and then I can iterate on it. And then there are other things like generating images with you in this kind of role that you want to make real. So that's the next thing. So now I just launched the characters feature on the High Frequency Highway app, and this is really a powerful feature because now it gives access to anybody. Anybody has now access to like the world's greatest minds, like Aristotle, Steve Jobs, Seneca, and you can just ask them anything, and it's just like a kind of a mind-blowing experience when you first experience it. So it's really good to publicize this. So I'm gonna like be creating like videos where I have discussions with these characters, and it's just evident how much value I'm getting from them. I'm getting mentored by Steve Jobs on business and entrepreneurship. Or I have access to like a therapist that walks me through some emotional healing kind of depths of how I can what kind of tools I can use to better deal with kind of emotions. So that's High Frequency Highway app. Talked about Manifestly, High Frequency Highway app. Inlight Meditation also has these AI characters. And my thesis is to build something that is in high demand and build something that's really valuable that people would pay for, meaning so that if it helps people like make money, that's even better. So I'm really looking at like the creator economy as the most interesting field, and for me, like I just see the creator economy as the future of work and life, and it's a very early stage. So there's a lot of opportunities here to build tools for creators to help them grow their channels. So for a YouTuber, if I can help a YouTuber grow their audience, grow their subscriber count, and help them make decisions on like which kind of content to create next, that's extremely valuable. So I'm looking at that as a target app for my next step. And this, right now, my thesis this may change, but right now I'm looking at kind of an analytics. So you plug in, you create an account, you plug in your YouTube account, and it shows you a list of all your videos and like nice bar graphs about what videos have been doing well. And another idea is to show you like leaderboards of like the latest trending topics in Shorts or YouTube or Instagram Reels or TikTok. The next thing is like reposting content to all the platforms, and the next thing that's like really big is automatically converting long form videos into short form and like posting them. So taking up like this 10-minute vlog and like finding 30-second clips that could be created into Reels automatically. This is like called clipping. And there's like a famous YouTuber that's actually like doing this as an agency, and there's many agencies that do this. Like they just have people that do this, but like now and there are AI apps that kind of do this, but there's still a lot of opportunity here to create this kind of app. So next is that's really what I'm looking at, and the best way to do that is like start like selling it first and like talking about it publicly in different social media places. So that's what's top of mind, is this thesis to look at like what's highly in demand and connect and like build the AI tools and then make it small so that I'm not like spending more than a week on it. So it should be like like 2 or 3 days max. So right now the Manifestly app, it's already been a couple weeks, almost like 2 months, and the reason is it keeps evolving. And I keep like getting into doing other things. Like I was doing High Frequency Highway app, and then I was doing Enlightened Meditation. So now both of these are done, and I can turn my attention to this. What else is top of mind is the gateway process. I have been doing, today I did the CD3, another track, and this one was about repatterning. It's called repatterning. And you do the same routine of the introduction, you get into focus 10, then you get into focus 12. That's a state where your consciousness is cosmic, you're separated from the material sphere. And then you imagine like kind of what your goal is, or what your desire is, what your wish, your desired life is like, and then you kind of repattern the reality. You imagine it being there in the core of your being, and then expanding to all of your consciousness that's spread out. So that was like pretty good. Now, yeah, to close, today I've been really heads down. I kind of like, I made a lot of progress on Manifestly AI app. We shipped yesterday the High Frequency Highway, and it was accepted. So now it's live. And what's next is finishing Manifestly app and putting it out there, and then making my blog on conradnat.com, finishing my website and updating it. So I'll end it here. Thank you for watching. Peace.